Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the computer class. After a so long time, we are going to start the computer class again. You have already got a timetable, and according to that, you know that you got one day in a week. That is, you can say Saturday. We have this period for computer. Okay, fine, no problem. We will continue with this only, like how we used to do before. So, according to the new timetable, also the number of classes are same for computer. It is only one period. Now, today's class is actually, we are not going to start anything. That means you can say we are not going to start a new chapter today. Instead, we are going to do something very, very important, which you should know. First of all, after this video, I will upload one video in which how you can make a PDF file. That means the first video after this, immediately you will get a video which will tell you how to create a PDF file. Because why I am uploading this one? Because I have seen that in the last exam also, many of the students have sent the answer script of PT1 in image form. That means they have clicked the picture and they have sent it directly in the WhatsApp. From now onwards, it will not be accepted. From now onwards, your PDF, that means your image, has to be a PDF. And how to create a PDF file? So that's a very important thing to know. So the first thing, after this video today, after this introduction video, you will get the first thing is how to make a PDF file. So that you are going to learn. Okay. And those students who have already done the PDF work, that means who already know how to create a PDF file and how to send it. For those students, that video is not important because you are already doing it, so it's very good, no problem. But that video will be important. The first video will be important only for those who does not know how to make the PDF file and how to upload it. For those only. Fine. So that is the first video you are going to watch after the introduction video. After this video, please. Second, we will learn about Google Classroom. Now, students, Google Classroom. Again, this is a very important topic right now. Google Classroom. The second video, both the videos will be separate, student. Okay, it will not be added, it will not be combined, it will be separate. Google Classroom. First of all, many of the parents have asked me one question. That one thing is that how to change the name, and second question is how to upload the homework. Now, these are the two questions that actually has been asked by many of the parents and students. So for those only, actually this is a new app for everybody, I know that, so that's why you are getting the problem. No problem, it's very easy. You will be able to do it very, very easily. Okay, so you need to just follow the steps properly when I will upload the video. That means the second video. In the second video, there will be two things altogether. One thing will be how to change the name, because when you have registered in the Google Classroom, maybe you have used your parents' email ID, and because of that, the name which is displayed in the Google Classroom, it is according to your parents' name, maybe your father's or maybe your mother's name or maybe your sister's brother's name. But it will create a problem for you also and me also. Why? Because when I will check the homework, I will not be able to recognize that who is actually sending the homework, because I will be able to see that name only, either your parents or either your brothers and sisters. So it is very, very important to change the name in the Google Classroom so that I can recognize, yes, this person has sent the message. Fine. So that is first thing we will get in that video. Second, how to upload the homework. That means many of you have already registered. Many of you have already changed also the name. That means you have changed the name also. Your name is coming exactly. For those students, the next question is coming, how to upload. So the next video, that means in that video only, there will be two parts. In that video only, you will be able to see how to upload the PDF file in the Google Classroom. That means, first of all, students, you have to do one thing. You have to click the picture, convert into PDF and save it. And then you have to upload it in the Google Classroom. Then only it will be as a PDF form, it will go to the, you can say, respective classes. Fine. And those students who have not registered till now, I have already sent the class code already. Yesterday only I have sent it. Students, please join as early as possible, because when I will start giving homework, I will not accept the homework in the WhatsApp directly. From now onwards, it has to be in the Google Classroom only. Fine. So students, let us start today's class. Okay, so these two videos will be there only. That is, one is for PDF, second one is for the Google Classroom. So with this, today's class will be over. In the next class, that is on next Saturday, we will have the you can say we will have the classes. In that class, I will try to discuss the PT1 paper, as well as we will try to start a new chapter also. That is the next chapter what we have to start, number 3, chapter number 3. Okay. So students, till that time, please learn the video, see the video properly, understand step by step, follow the method step by step, and then you will be able to do it successfully. Okay. So let's meet on next Saturday. Thank you. Good morning, dear students. Today, first of all, we will learn how to make a PDF file. Now, to make a PDF file, why it is important? As you know that you are already submitting the home assignment or the exam, you can say answer sheets in PDF format only. So this video is only for those students who have still not learned how to make a PDF file, and or you can say how PDF can be created. Fine. So and who are already doing the PDF file and who already know how to make a PDF file. So for those students, it is it is not required to do it again. Whatever you are doing, that will be fine. Okay. So for that, what I have done, in my mobile, I have downloaded the Office Lens. You can see below the Office Lens. This is an app through which we can make a PDF file. Fine. Office Lens is in Microsoft Lens also, we can say. So this app can easily convert any photo to PDF. So let us start. So you have to install it from the Play Store. So you have to go to Play Store first, and after that you have to search Office Lens, and then you will be able to install it. After installing, the icon will come like this, that is Office Lens. Let us click here. Office Lens, I am clicking it. So when you click, you will get the option, that means the camera option will be automatically on. Now when the camera option is automatically on, you have to just click the picture according to your need. That means which page you want to click a picture, just take the camera onto that, and then you can do the you can click the picture. So you first of all click the picture here. Yeah, so it is done. Now you can arrange the size. That means you can resize it. You can drag little bit up and down, and you can do the resizing. Fine. Now if it is okay, then you can do the confirm. So you can do the confirm button on the right hand side below. Now it is already, everything is okay. So you can click, you can say done. So when you click on done, then what will happen? It will be like an option will come. So in this option, you can see the title on the top. You can see title, where it is some date, time, and Office Lens is written. So we can do one thing, we can edit this one. So we can give any name. Whatever name means, you have to give your roll number, class, section, and name. So you can give it. Say suppose I am just simply, for example, I am writing Anup. So here we have done it, and then you can see these boxes. These are few boxes on the right hand side. You have to click on the PDF. So you click on this box PDF, then this that photograph, whatever you have clicked, that will convert to PDF, and then you will get an option of save. You can see on the save option is there on the right hand side below there. So you click it on the save. So when you save, you can see this picture is coming, this one, whatever I have just clicked, and you can view it by using Drive PDF Viewer. So, and if you want to share it, you can share it also. How you will share it? You can click here in this 3 button, and then you will get a share option here below. Now the share option, you just click it, you will be able to see the options through which you want to share it. If you want to go for WhatsApp, so you can just simply click on the WhatsApp option, and then you can send to the required person. Okay student, so this is how we do the how we can convert any file, you can say any images, into a PDF format. And this is very very important for those students who have not done till now. Please learn this process, install the app, learn it. If you get any problem, then you can easily contact me. I will help you out in this regard. And those students who are already doing the PDF file and you are able to do it properly, no need to do it, because that is quite fine whatever you are doing right now. Only few students who may not have the knowledge of how to create the PDF file, for those only this video is made. Okay, so thank you.